Cold pressed rice bran oil is a nutritious cooking oil that offers several health benefits. Here's why you might want to include this unrefined oil in your kitchen. Rich in antioxidants. Rice bran oil contains powerful antioxidants like oryzanol and vitamin E, which help protect your cells from damage. Supports heart health. The oil's healthy fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and promote better cardiovascular health. May help manage blood sugar. Some studies suggest rice bran oil can improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for blood sugar control. Good for skin. Thanks to its antioxidant content, rice bran oil may help keep your skin smooth and youthful when included in your diet. High smoke point. It's great for cooking at high temperatures, making it ideal for frying and sauteing without breaking down. Try cold pressed rice bran oil as a tasty, healthful option in your everyday meals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and follow for more wellness tips.